Alright, so here is how my storage is set up. I have a folder right here for past assignments, and then I have this folder right here for EDCI 270. I have a case study in here and my Google Doc for the other passport, and I also have a folder for course theme, which has my presentation of my course theme. And then if I go over here and click New, and let's make a Google Doc. I start a new Google Doc, and I'll just make it for this class so I can add it to that folder in my storage. So it should be saved onto here, and now it's appeared here, so it's automatically saves here, and then I can also move it into this folder. And then I can also go to my desktop and save a new document onto here by just clicking and dragging it into here, and it should just upload. And say I would like to share a document, I can go here, click share, and I'll just share it with my non-Purdue email. And it should just share. And I can also go here and share a document, or here I can share this folder by hitting share here and doing the same thing. And I can just do the email. And it should share. That's how you share a folder.